Start by going to Amazon.com and logging in. Once you've logged in, go to the top right corner where it says Hello, then your name, accounts, and lists. Once the drop-down menu appears, go down and click on Accounts. On your account page, you'll find your payments and click on this button. Then your wallet will appear and you'll be able to add a new payment method. So you'll click here and then you can select credit or debit, add a credit or debit card. Then here you'll be able to put in your new card information and select add your card once all the information has been completed. And that's how you update your payment on Prime Video.